case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1999, the Iowa Supreme Court heard the case of Richardson v. Commodore, Inc. The case began in 1994 when Russell Richardson, playing pool at the Commodore Tap, a bar owned by the Commodore, Inc., located in a building owned by Ralph and Betty Hauerwas, was injured by a falling portion of the ceiling, leading him to sue the defendants for negligence in maintaining the premises. Though the district court dismissed the case and the Court of Appeals upheld the decision, the Supreme Court found enough evidence to support Richardson's claim, reversed the judgment, and remanded for further proceedings. The Hauerwases had contracted Wayne Blumer to repair parts of the plaster ceiling in 1982, but did not inspect it again after installing a drop ceiling in 1985. The ceiling collapse was attributed to the age of the plaster and vibrations from traffic. The court held that the defendants had a duty to inspect the ceiling and that their failure to do so was relevant if the inspection would have revealed defects. Disputed facts existed regarding the reasonable care required for such inspections and the potential results of such an examination. Due to the district court's error in handling these facts, the Iowa Supreme Court vacated the appeals court's decision, reversed the district court's ruling, and remanded the case for further proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.